I don't think I'm going to get anything till I get around the corner because it's just pulling right now.
Based on the information Jennifer received at Agnes Vale Falls concerning the whitewater rafters, our production crew has brought her to a section of the Arkansas River where the tragedy possibly occurred.
I think we're almost there. I just heard the word high profile. High profile.
Right side, right side.
Oh, I'm getting a headache. I know my head's been hit. I'm hit. Something's taken place in here. We're in, if I want to say, a city block here. Something horrific's happened here.